Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I have another special casting from KK's. It is 71 Lamborghini Miura SV. So I am really excited to unbox this diecast. Shall we start? So as you can see here, today I have Lamborghini Miura SV. It is 71's Lamborghini, and it is part of HW 70s versus 90s, and it is 78 of 250. Just look at this casting. It is a very great vintage, one of the most famous Lamborghini from 70s, and the finishing, just gold and black finish, is just a best combination I have ever had in my diecast collection. Just look at this diecast. It is looking very good. I'm really excited to unbox this. Before that, just look at this finishing. Just wheels and the finishing of the black upper part and the yellow one side part. It is looking very great. I'm really excited to unbox this. I hope you guys are also. Let's unbox. So let's unbox this. Just a minute. Wow, just look at the combination of gold finish and the black finish. Just look at this. It is the headlight is a detail was very nice. Let me zoom it. As you can, and the Lamborghini logo is also here, and the wheels are also very great, and the backlight is also here. Let me zoom it. Yes, I think you guys are able to see it. Are you guys able to see? Yes, now it is showable. Oh, the casting is very good. I really love this casting. It is one of the most famous casting from KK's. One of the most very famous casting. Because of that reason, I have bought this casting. And yes, if you want me to rate this, I will rate this. It is 9.5 out of 10, because just look at this, man. I mean, the color combination, the wheels of the yellow and black finish, it is everything is so pure and so vintage and so real. Because of that reason, I am rating this much. I hope you guys are also will gonna love this casting. Please try to get, if you are getting something in your local area, or try to search it, or ask your local shopkeeper to collect this for you guys. I hope you will definitely gonna love it. So by doing this, I'm finishing my video. If you guys enjoying my video, please subscribe my channel and put a comment and let me know where I can improve. By doing this, today I am wrapping up my this video. Thumbs up.